Achille Simonetti, the 12th of June 1857 to 19 November 1928, was an Italian and English violinist and composer. Early life and education. Born in Turin on the 12th of June 1857, Simonetti left his family in Bologna. This can be gleaned from his letter to Mr. Hill, of Hills and Sons, written in 1922, and completed his studies under Francesco Bianchi, Eugenio Cavallini, Giuseppe Gamba, Charles Dankler, regarded as the last exponent of the classical French school of violin playing, and Camillo Sivori, the only pupil of Niccolò Paganini. Career. Simonetti became part of the first London Trio, an endeavour which occupied him from 1901 to 1907, along with colleagues Amina Goodwin and William Whitehouse. From 1912 to 1919, he was a professor of violin at the Royal Irish Academy of Music, and served as a teacher for many distinguished violinists, including Walter Starkey. Simonetti was also an early champion of the Brahms violin concerto, and wrote a cadenza for the work. Death. Simonetti died aged 71 in London on 19 November 1928. Selected compositions. Orchestral. Ronde Joyeuse for string orchestra. Serenade for string orchestra. Chamber music. Allegretto romantico in D minor for viola and piano. Published 1897. Andante mélancolique for violin, or cello, and piano. Ballata in C minor for viola and piano. Published 1897. Berceuse for violin and piano. Canzonetta for violin and piano. Capriccio for violin and piano. Cavatina for cello and piano. Elegia for cello and piano. Furlana, Italian dance for violin and piano. Madrigal in D major for violin and piano. 1901. Music has been set to this by Pietro Florida. Mazurka for violin and piano. Minuetto for violin and piano. Notturno for violin and piano. Reverie for violin and piano. Romanza for violin and piano. Romanzetta for violin and piano. Scenes Montagnards for violin and piano. Op. 12. Sonata No. 2 for violin and piano. Op. 9. String Quartet No. 1 in D minor. Op. 14. Published 1904. String Quartet No. 2 in B-flat major. Op. 16. Published c. 1904. Piano. Caprice Mazurka for piano. Trois morceaux caractéristiques. 3 character pieces. For piano. Free scores by Achille Simonetti at the International Music Score Library Project.